Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about sign conventional rules for reflection by mirrors. Okay, so first we'll consider a concave mirror. Okay, and here is the principal axis. This is the center part of the mirror, which is considered as a pole. Okay, let me take this is the center of curvature C of the spherical mirror. Let me say that this is a pole P. Okay, while writing the or considering the sign conventional rules, okay, we have to consider an object AAB which is perpendicularly placed on the principal axis. Okay, and remember the object must be always placed on the left side of the mirror. So first rule, I'll write it here. Object must be placed on the left side of the mirror. Okay, that is the first rule we have to consider here. Okay, so next one, light will always travel from the left side of the mirror. So this is the incident light. Okay, light will always travel from the left of the mirror. Okay, this is the direction of the incident light ray. Okay, this is an object's image A dash B dash. Okay, so I'll call it as a H naught object height. This is HI, height of the image. Okay, next important thing you have to take, always you have to start the measurement from the pole of the mirror. This is the pole, so you have to start your measurement either towards the left, either towards the right, wherever may be. You have to start from here. Okay, so the all the measurement, all the measurement must be taken from the pole of the mirror. Okay, here I told you the pole is the center part of the mirror here. Clear? Okay, fourth one, if you measure anything towards the left side, I mean to say that if you are measuring anything opposite to the direction of the incident light, then you have to take that quantity as negative. Any measurement which is opposite to the incident light will be taken as negative. Okay, any measurement if you are measuring in this direction should be taken as negative. Any measurement which is taken in the direction of propagation of light will be taken as positive. That's the important thing. Okay, any measurement in the same direction of light. Same direction of light will be taken as positive. Okay, this is the considerable thing here, the taking positive and taking negative while solving the numericals. We have to consider the positive and negative things. Okay, next one I can say here. Okay, sixth one, if the object is standing on the principal axis, okay, perpendicularly, then the height of the object is taken as positive. I mean to say that you are measuring above the principal axis, then it is positive. If you are measuring anything below the principal axis, okay, which is inverted, then you should take it the height as negative. Okay, I'll write it here. Distance measured perpendicular to and below the principal axis. Perpendicular to and below the principal axis. Okay, is taken as negative. Okay, I mean to say that along the y-axis. Okay, next one I can say that distance measured perpendicular to and above the principal axis. Taken as positive. Okay, which is along the y-axis. Okay, these are the major rules we have to consider while solving the numericals with respect to this sign conventional rules. Also, we can take it as here. Okay, the object distance should be taken as u. Okay, that must be taken from the pole of the mirror, and here v is taken as image distance. Okay, in optics v stands for image distance, u stands for object distance. Obviously, if you are taking in this direction, I mean in the opposite to the incident light ray, then u and v must be taken as negative. By chance the image is formed in this side, then you have to take it as a positive. Okay, this is clear here. Anything in the right side of the mirror, I mean inside the mirror, you have to take it as a positive. Anything in this direction, you should take it as a negative. Okay, these are the major things we have to consider while the solving the numericals. Okay, if you really like this video, kindly subscribe this video and like this video. Thank you.